Welcome guys, today I am with the Xiaomi Redmi A1 and I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for this device. Okay, so first of all, we can use volume buttons in the camera application. When you click once on the volume up, you can take photo after 2 seconds delay. It works the same for the volume down button. When you click and hold one of these buttons, you are going to record short video. It works the same for the both buttons. When you click and hold your shutter, you can also use the same function. When you click on the screen once, you can quickly adjust the brightness level. You can decrease or increase brightness, but also you can click on the screen to adjust brightness level automatically. When you tap on this place, you can enable the HDR for the automatic or permanently turn it on. When you click on this place, you can enable the flashlight. So for example, when you have not good lighting condition like in my case, you can just turn it on to get more details on the photos. When you go for this option, we can right here quickly change the aspect ratio of our camera application. So we can go for the 3:4 for example. That's by the way the default resolution and you will get the best photos, the best quality of the photos. Right here you can manually enable shutter delay for the 3, 5 or 10 seconds. We can enable the grid lines, and as you can see right now it appears on the screen. When you go right here, you can also open the settings where you can find other functions. Right here, just check the picture quality. Just be sure that it's set up on the high, so we'll get the best resolution. We can enable camera watermark. We can add the timestamp on the photos, device watermark, and also we can add our own signature. So let me make it right now. And right now, when you take any photo, and open this photo, in the left bottom corner we can find the watermark of the device. As you can see, that's the Redmi A1 and also our own signature. Let's go back for the settings because we can find here also other useful options. We can change function of the volume buttons, so we can for example use them as a zoom or the normal shutter. So take a look right now. We can zoom into the 4 times by holding one of the volume button. We can also use this option, tap to take photo. So right now we can just tap on the screen. We can turn off the shutter sound, and when we go for the customize, we can for example change the shutter sound. You can also change colors of already activated function. So just take a look right here and right here. And that's the change that you can make. Okay, when you go for the more modes, we can find right here, for example, the time-lapse video. So basically you can just record video and it will be speed up. So we can record, for example, the 10-second video. Okay, click here to turn it off and take a look how it looks right now. When you go for the video mode, we can quickly turn on Full HD and we can go for the only HD resolution. If you don't have enough space on your phone but you still want to record video, it will be useful tip for you. And yeah, that's all for this video. That's all camera tips and tricks for the Redmi A1. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.